Hi, my maths group. It's Thursday already, and it's my maths session for today. We're going to be looking at the arithmetic first to start off with and going through that element first of all, and then you're going to be doing your independent work firstly with your arithmetic questions and then followed by the main body of learning to do with fractions. So today we're going to be looking at the order of operation, and you can all see the word BODMAS in front of you there, and this is all to do with the order of operation. It's telling you when you have a sum, you have to do it in a particular order to get the right answer. So let's remind ourselves what BODMAS stands for. B is for brackets, O is for others, so maybe a squared or a cubed number, for instance. D is for division, M for multiply, A for addition, and S for subtract. So you need to do these questions, or any question that you get, in that order of operation to be able to get the right answer. So let's have a look at it then. So let's have a look in this question here. Have we got a sum which is in brackets? Well, yes, we do, don't we? Here in brackets, it is 20 times 5. So that's the first thing that we need to do. We don't need to do 5 add the sum in the brackets at the moment. We need to make sure we're doing the sum of the brackets first. So let's have a look then. What is 20 multiplied by 5? Well, we know that that is 100. So we've done the bracket parts of it. So let's have a look then. I still need to do this 5 plus part and this minus 10 part. So we could rewrite out the sum again. Now we've done the brackets part. So it would look 5 plus 100 minus 10 equals. So we've done the bracket part. We now have a look now. Well, is there an others? Well, there's no squared or cubed numbers. Is there a division? Well, no, there's no division within that question. Multiplication? There's no multiplication there. Addition? Well, yes, we can see the addition now, can't we? 5 plus 100. So we need to do this next part. Well, what is 5 plus 100? Well, it's 105. So we've done this part of BODMAS now, and we're left with minus 10. So we could then write it out. Now we've done the first part of that number sentence. 105 minus 10 equals. We've done the addition. Now we've got subtraction. We've only got one part of the number sentence left to do. So 105 minus 10 is 95. So our answer to that is 95. So let's have a look at the next example. I'll just get rid of these and we'll have another go at the next one. Follow exactly the same process, BODMAS. So let's have a look then. So brackets first. Oh, I can see brackets here. So we need to do those first. So I'm going to move it up there actually, so we don't miss it. So first part of it, 6 plus 4. Well, that is 10. That is in brackets. But we still need to do this part here. So we can rewrite out that sentence exactly the same. 4 times 4 plus 3 times 3 plus 10, which is the brackets part we've just done. Okay. So now we can have a look at that. Well, let's have a look at it. Have we got an others there? We've got no squared number or cubed numbers. Have we got division? There's no division there. Have we got multiplication? Oh, we've got two parts of multiplication here. 4 times 4 and 3 plus 3. So we need to do both of those at the moment. All right, so let's have a look at this first one. 4 times 4 is 16. And we know that 3 times 3, sorry, is 9. And we know that we need to write it out with the addition sign because that will be our next part of working out this equation. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 10 equals. Now we've done the multiplication part. The next part we look at is addition, and we've just got the addition part here. So we can do 16 plus 9 plus 10. Well, 16 plus 9 is 24, 5, plus the 10 is 35. So our answer to that BODMAS question is 35. Okay, children, now it's your opportunity to have a go at it. Pause the video, have a go at doing these two questions. If you're not too sure, rewatch what we've just gone through to see if that can help you. And then I'll be going through the answers to that. Well done for having a go, children. Let's have a look at the answers then. So let's have a look then. 40 times 2 minus 20. Have we got any brackets? Well, no, we haven't. So we move on to the next one. Have we got any others? Squared, cube numbers? No, we haven't got that. Let's move on to division. There's no division in this one. Multiplication. I can see that there is a multiplication sign there. So we need to do that part of the equation first. 40 times 2. Well, that is 80. So we've done this part of the equation. Now we need to move this part down. So minus 20. And this is the last part of the equation that we need to do. Well, what is 80 minus 20? Well, that is 60. So our answer to 40 times 20 minus 40 times 2 minus 20 is 60. Brilliant. Well done, guys. Let's just delete these bits and we're going to have a look at the second question there. And I'm just going to do it up here. So, same game. Brackets. Oh, we've got some brackets here. So we need to do that part first. 4 plus 3 is 7. So we've done that part here. So we can now write out the next number sentence, which will be 6 times 7 minus 2. Equals. Right, if we go along, there's no others. There's no division. There's multiplication, however. What is 6 times 7? Okay, so you need to use your multiplication facts here to be able to do that. You may know the answer to 6 times 7, but we know that 6 times 6 is 36. So we've added another 6 onto that. That would be 42. So we've done that part of the equation here. Then we need to minus 2 as our final stage. 42 minus 2 is 40. So our answer to this question would be 40. Well done, children, if you got that. That's fantastic. Again, there's a highlighted question here. That is your question in your arithmetic starter today. So have a go at that using what we have just learned there. Once you've done your arithmetic for today, have a go at the main part of learning to do with fractions. And I will see you for tomorrow and our last day of maths of the week. Bye, everyone.